Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Asaf Chaudhary and today's date is 6th January 2022 and today's topic name is main method in Java. So in this topic we will discussing about what is the main method in Java, why we use the main method in Java and the syntax of the main method. So firstly start with what is the main method in Java and why we can use the main method. So in Java we can use the main method to execute the program. If we doesn't have any main method, then we doesn't run or execute any program, because JVM will first uh, start the program execution from the main method. It require main method to start the program execution. If we doesn't provide any main method, then your program will not be executed. So let's discuss the syntax of the main method. So in main method, the syntax of the main method will be the public static void main in bracket string args. So this is the syntax of the it is the syntax to write the main method. So we will discussing the uh, all the keywords used in the main method syntax in detail. So first is the public. So public is the keyword or access modifier which is used to define the access level of this method. So in Java provided the four access modifier, from which first will be the public access modifier. So by using public access modifier we can access this method from the inside the class, outside the class, inside the package, outside the package, means anywhere we can use this method in anywhere. Next is the default access modifier. By using default access modifier we can access this method within the package, and if we doesn't provide any access modifier to the method, then default access modifier will be considered. And next one is the protected access modifier. So if we can use the protected access modifier to with the method, then this method will be accessible within the package and outside the package with child class or subclass or nested class. If we doesn't provide any nested class, then we doesn't access this method from outside the package. And next last is the private access modifier. So in private, by using private access modifier to the method, we cannot access this method from outside the class. We can use only this method in inside the class. So this is the use of the access modifier, and from which we can use the public access modifier to the main method. Next one is the static. Static is a keyword in Java which is provided if we can uh, run any method or variable, or call any method or variable, then we want firstly we need to create the object of this class, and after creating the object we can access the variables and methods inside the class. But if we can provide the static keyword with any method or any variable, then we can access this variable without creating the object of this class. Means we can access this variable like class name dot variable or method name. So because of that we can provide the static keyword to the main method to access this method or call this method without creating the object. Next one is the void. Void is the return type. Means if any method doesn't return anything, then we can provide the void. And if a method return anything like return integer value, then we will write the int as a return type. If method will be return the boolean value, then we will write the boolean as a return type. If the method is return the string, then we will write the string as a return type. If method will be return the character value, Then we will write the return type as a character. Like method will return from which we can decide the return type of the method. If method doesn't return anything, then we will provide the void return type. Next is the main. Main is a keyword which is provided in the Java, which will be used to define the method as a main. If we write any main keyword with any method, then this method will be called as the main method. And in parentheses we can provide the string arrays, means we can pass the parameter as a string. So this is the syntax of the main method and all about the main method in the Java. Thank you.